Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is January the 19th on a Friday. And taking a look at the SPY here, guys, it really feels like we're destined for that all-time highs around the 480 level. What happens once we get there, and if we get there, who knows? I'm seeing a lot of stocks that when they're breaking out are failing right now. So we'll see what happens. But let's take a look at some setups out there. First on the list, INFN, Infinera. I mentioned this one yesterday. I like the setup. This is why I like to buy the setups versus chasing it. Now you got a nice position and possibly some continuation there in INFN. CrowdStrike is one that is showing some incredible relative strength. Nice move, pull back 3 days. Look for a possible move higher in that CrowdStrike. Netflix, I'm liking the setup in this one. You've had a nice little monthly high there that then pulled back, basing and possible turnaround here. Look for a break of that 3-day high there in Netflix. Possibly going to happen on the open though, but so be careful. This is one that's kind of outside the box thinking, but sometimes I like to take these setups. Okay, you've had Bank of America who has pulled back to its 50-period moving average, bounced off of it a couple of times. Maybe look for a break above that 32. Now, if I take something like this, I'm using that stop there, the low of that bar right there as an out. Sava Biotech. Biotechs haven't been acting real bullish over the last, say, 4 trading days, but this is one that it's holding up. You can see it bouncing off its 20, bouncing off its 10-period moving average. Tough entry for me because you have this wick going back over here, but maybe I take a chance if it breaks through these 2 wicks here. Let's see. That's about it for today. Keep it tight. This is Friday going into a weekend, but have a great one, guys. There's more on the list if you have trade ideas, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.